Grabe naman to.
Bakit pre?
Ano,
Galit
pre?
ka na naman.
May nag-comment na naman sa post ko.
Pre, cyberbullying na yan.
When cyberbullying happens, it can be overwhelming. But there are 3 ways to overcome it. Step 1. Do not engage. Replying can make things worse. Instead, take a break from the screen. Step 2. Take a screenshot. This isn't about dwelling. It's about having proof you need to report later.
Akin na pre, re-report ko na lang.
Ayan, o pre, tama yan. Andito lang ako nakasuporta sa'yo.
Salamat pre, gumawa yung pakiramdam ko. Salamat nandyan ka.
O pre, tama yan. Dapat positibo ka lang lagi.
Cyberbullying can make you feel small, but with these 3 steps, you can take your power back. Ay,